Insert SIM and SD cards into the HUAWEI MatePad T10S. Before we get started, you'll need the ejector tool provided with the device. Pop out the tray, which is located on the bottom next to the headphone jack. Push the pin in and the tray will pop out. Place the SD card and SIM card on the tray, making sure they lie flush. Hold the card secure and insert the tray back into the device. The device may change the language automatically. To change it back, go to Settings, scroll down to System, then select Language and Region. Tap the first option to add a language, select English and confirm the change. That's the way to insert a SIM card into this device. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.